Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, I will show you how we can set up our Office 365 tenant against phishing and spoofing attacks. As nowadays we can see we are getting a lot of phishing emails, spoofing emails, or the clients are getting phishing spoof emails. So I will try my best to explain you how we can set up anti-phishing and anti-spoofing in Office 365. Okay, let's explain you email spoofing. Email spoofing is the forging of an email header to make it appear as though the email originated from a different source than it actually did. This is often done to deceive recipients into thinking the email is from a trusted source, such as a company or an individual, in order to gain access to their sensitive information or to spread malware. Let's say you receive an email that appears to be from your bank, asking you to click on a link and provide you account information to verify your identity. However, upon closer inspection, you notice that the email addresses of the sender is slightly misspelled or doesn't match the official domain of the bank. This could be an example of email spoofing where a cyber criminal has forged the email header to make it look like it came from your bank in an attempt to steal your personal information. And the email phishing is a type of cyber attack in which the attacker sends fraudulent emails that appear to be from legitimate organizations or individuals. These emails often contains a sense of urgency or persuasive message that prompts the recipient to click on the link, download an attachment, or provide sensitive information such as login credentials, financial details, or personal information. Phishing emails may also contain a malicious link or attachments that, when clicked or downloaded, can install malware on the recipient device, leading to further security breaches. Let's get on the screen and configure anti-phishing policy. I am logged in to admin center already, so let's go to admin center. Until admin center is loading, we can go directly to the URL security.microsoft.com, and from admin center let's click show all and go to compliance. Okay, the security and compliance is loading. Okay, we are now in Microsoft Defender portal. Under email and collaboration, go to policies and rules. Then select threat policies. Now in threat policies, we have to go to anti-phishing policy. So let's wait for it to get load. Then we will proceed with a policy creation by clicking on the create button. There are some policies already configured. For your explanation, I will configure it from scratch and I will show you how we can deploy it. Okay, let's name the policy anti-phishing policy. Okay, fine. Let's put the same description and hit next. Okay, here we can add users to include groups to include and also the domains. We can include users, groups and domains here. Here, let's try to add a domain. So here I want to secure my company domain and I will add in domains that might be covering all of the users which have these domains. Okay, I can get all the domains from the domains sections. So I will hide my domains for security purpose here, and I am adding domains from my domains section here. Okay, hit next. Let's set up the phishing threshold. So I want to select this phishing threshold from more than a standard. Right? I want this to be more aggressive. So let's do it. For now, let's do it on aggressive number two. Enable users to protect. Okay. Enable domains to protect. Include domain I own. Let's enable mailbox intelligence recommended. You can select these options according to your requirements. Now I will leave that option tick. Email enable spoof intelligence recommended. So enable intelligence for impersonation protection recommended. Let's select this. Hit next. Okay. If the message is detected as a user impersonation, so I will select move the message to recipient junk email folder. So we can check our junk if the message is legitimate. We can move that message to our inbox. So I am not directly deleting message. For all of these options, I am selecting move the message to recipient junk email folder. Okay. For demark policy, as the message is detected as spoof and demark policy is set as reject the message. Okay. I will quarantine this message. Okay. The message is detected as spoof by spoof intelligence. So it's it's better to select it as move the message to recipient junk folder. Okay, now see some safety tips and indicators. So you can select all of these, and this will show us some informations while getting emails from outside of organizations in your Outlook, or you can read their descriptions one by one, and you can set it according to your requirements. So I will select all of these, and now I am at the level where I can submit my anti-phishing policy. So you can review everything here at the end. You can set up all of the setting according to your requirements. And okay, I submitted the policy. New anti-phishing policy is created now. That's great. And here you go. Here is the policy we have created just now. I hope this video will benefit everyone a lot by setting up their anti-phishing policies. So please note that I've go through from a process and show you the steps and the options that I want to set up. You can select options according to your organization requirements. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Bye.